avoiding failure of your electric motor with state-of-the-art testing. Detecting faults in your electric motor if your stator is non-functioning or your motor is disassembled is now possible. Bradley's offers surface rotor magnetic field analysis known as sRMFA. This new technology allows Bradley's to test your rotor bars using precision magnetic field measurements and data processing tools. Each rotor bar is mapped for use in defect and failure detection. sRMFA does not require a functional stator or assembled motor. There are 5 main reasons to test your rotor bars. Reason number 1, testing capabilities can detect partially broken bars or insufficient welds. Reason number 2, software utilizes algorithms to detect faults not solely with user-defined detections. Reason number 3, detects user-defined casting flaws in die-casted rotors. Reason number 4, trended for progressing cracks or solder deterioration. Reason number 5, utilizes current induction directly into the end rings and rotor bars versus with traditional core testing. Traditional core testing induces current through shaft or by looping core, creates a transformer effect on the rest of the rotor core, masks the independent rotor bar magnetic field, and can create unwanted shorts in the core laminations with insufficient insulation. Here we see a 2100 HP, 600 RPM, 4000 volt electric motor weighing 8,000 pounds, as the rotor bars are being tested with surface rotor magnetic field analysis. The rotor spins inside the casing, creating failure data on the screen. The data for this motor does not detect any defects in the motor. It has been previously tested and repaired. This test ensures defects have been resolved. This is an example of a test that reflected failures in the motor. This is an example of a test that did not reflect failures in the motor. Preventing failures of your electric motor by having it tested to identify any faults avoids future imminent failures and downtime. Bradley's state-of-the-art equipment and seasoned professionals ensure your electric motor failures are identified, repaired, and load-tested to provide reliable performance for years to come. To learn more, visit www.bradleysmotors.com.